Maui Taylor here. I just want to say hi and good luck sa bago mong restaurant. I hope we can visit soon and more power. Hi Tobats! This is Myrtle Sarasa. Congratulations sa iyong bagong restaurant. I hope to see you soon and may you and your restaurant be blessed. Mwah!
Tobats! Ako to si Kelvin. Magandang umaga sa iyo at binabati kita ng congratulations para sa bago mong restaurant. Soon to be restaurants. Yun. Congratulations in advance and more power and success para sa iyo. Marami ka na niyang magiging restaurants.
Hello everyone, this is Jenzel Angeles at gusto ko lang i-congratulate ang Tobats dahil opening na ng restaurant nila. Congratulations! More blessings to come sa Bulacan and sana makavisit ako dyan soon. God bless! Congratulations!
Thank you! Hello, Tobats! Si John Lucas nga pala ito. Gusto ko lang i-congratulate ka sa pagbubukas ng iyong bagong restaurant. Sana magtagumpay ka pa, maraming masarapan sa mga isa-serve you dyan. And hopefully, ay makadalaw din kami dyan next time. Ingat ka palagi!
Hey there, Tobats! I just want to congratulate you on your newly opened restaurant. Looking forward to visit there soon. More success and see you soon.
Hey Tobats, this is Gil. I want to congratulate you sa bago mong restaurant and I wish you well. I wish you a lot of success. Congratulations ulit.
Congratulations Tobats Restaurant sa pagbubukas ninyo. Sana marami kayong mapasaya, mabusog ng mga tao sa restaurant ninyo. And good luck! Congrats!
Hello, ako to si Armando. Shout out sa Tobats Kainan. Maadi ka sa sarap.
Hello Tobats, si Ares Agustin to. Gusto lang kitang i-congratulate sa bago mong restaurant. Pati ka nagpadala ng pagkain sa taping namin.
Hi Tobats, congratulations sa bago mong restaurant. Let's pray na maging successful yan and God bless you. Mag-iingat ka lagi.
Congratulations Tobats Restaurant. Pa-FT naman kayo. Food trip. Bye! Si Karen pala to.
Congratulations Tobats sa bago mong restaurant.
Hello Tobats. Congratulations sa bago mong restaurant. Sana maging successful. God bless.
Congrats sa bago mong restaurant Tobats. God bless and enjoy your day.
Hi Tobats, Lara Morena here. Congratulations sa bago mong restaurant. Sana makabisit ka po dyan at syempre magdadala ka ng maraming friends. Again, congratulations and more power to you. God bless!
Hi Tobats, this is Rob and congratulations sa bagong bukas na restaurant. Ayan, sana makakain naman ako dyan. Naks! Ingat talaga and God bless!
Congratulations sa bago mong restaurant Tobats. God bless you.
Hi Tobats, this is Barbie. Congratulations on your new restaurant. I wish you more power and more success.
Hello Tobats, congratulations sa bago mong restaurant. Sana imbitahin mo naman ako dyan at pakain ka. Joke lang, love you. See you soon.
Hello Tobats, congratulations sa bago mong restaurant. This is Melissa Lopez.
Hi Tobats, this is Lexi. Congratulations on your new restaurant. Send us food. Charis. I wish you a lot of success, of course. At saka sana tauhin talaga yung restaurant.
Congrats sa'yo sa bago mong restaurant. All the best. Take care. God bless. Peace.
Hi Tobats, congratulations on your restaurant. Good luck.
Hi Tobats! Congratulations sa iyong bagong resto. I wish you good luck and more power. Good luck and congrats!
Hello! This is Annalyn Barro at gusto ko lang i-congratulate si Tobats. Nako, congratulations sa bago mong restaurant. Sana ay makakain kami dyan and God bless you!